Hey everybody, it's JP here. Today we're talking about this front anti-sway bar, or stay bar. So I can disconnect this with just a push of a button. You guys hear that? That's not what it does. You have to actually disconnect it, guys. Come on, this isn't the 21 Bronco. The anti-sway bar is especially great if your rig is lifted. So while turning, what the sway bar does, it reduces the body roll and helps you have stability, keeping your Bronco flat and level to the ground. You'll feel the difference on every turn you take. Quick disconnects are included to go from street to the trails. Now, disconnecting the sway bar is not as easy as some fancy smancy button, but undoing a pin and undoing a bolt will get you off-road in minutes. These anti-sway bars are designed to work with stock and most aftermarket steering boxes. If you're not sure this will work with your steering boxes, make sure to call our tech team. This is JP signing off. If you're interested, give us a call at 209-400-7200 or visit our website, wildhorses4x4.com.